This is Zener Diode as a voltage regulator. In this trainer board we are going to see how to perform this experiment. So in this we have one power supply, one voltmeter, then this is the another voltmeter to see the output, and then we have three Zeners, different Zeners. One is 5.1 volts, another is of 8.2, and the third one is of 12 volts. Now let's connect first voltmeter in the input. Now let's connect Zener 5.1. Now increase the input, switch on the instrument. Now increase the voltage, input voltage, let's say 5 volts. Now you can see as we are increasing the voltage, but the output voltage is almost constant to 5.1. So this shows how we can use Zener as a voltage regulator. Now decrease the voltage back to 0 and connect 8.2, and now again increase the input voltage, and as you can see the input voltage is above 8 volts, but still the output is maintained at 8.2. So this is again showing how the voltage Zener is regulating the voltage. Similarly we can do it for 12 volts. Thank you for watching the video.